Hey everybody, Kyle here at Bigger Chrome Shop, bringing another product spotlight. Today I'm excited to talk about a new product of ours. We have Scrubblade. So these guys make very high quality wiper blades. They come in two different lines. The base series is their heavy duty series. It is really high quality. You know, they got the thick rubber on the wiper there, very durable wiper blade. And then they also have their platinum series, which as you can see here, the rubber is a little bit thicker on there. This one also comes with an interchangeable adapter. So the base series fits 87% to vehicles. It's got the standard wiper blade adapter on there. If you do have a different one, a more uncommon style, the Platinum series actually comes with 3 interchangeable ones. So if this one didn't work for you, you can pull this out of here and then replace it with one of these. So these guys are very cost effective as well. No matter what line that you're going for, you're going to be spending about 35 to 45 bucks, so it's really not that bad, especially with the quality of the wiper blade that you're getting. If your wiper blade goes on with the pin and nut attachment, we actually have this for the heavy duty series. So you could swap the adapter on there out with this, and then that would work for your truck as well. If you're interested in any of these products or any of our other new products, go ahead and go to our website at bigregchromeshop.com, and don't forget to follow our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Thanks.